All right, guys, so let's go ahead and look at 5.4b multi-step problems. In this one, we really have to read the word problem and really try to understand what it's telling us. So let's go ahead and look at it. It says a rental company charges $25 per day. So $25, $25 times something is going to give me a total, okay? And then it says 15 cents per mile. So let's say I drive 100 miles. I have to multiply that times the number of miles that I have. So notice how there's numbers that I'm missing. Well, let's keep on reading. It says if James rents a car for 3 days, okay, well, I know that if I rent it every day is going to be $25, so that's 3. And then it says, and he drives 120 miles, okay? Well, how much will it cost? I know I have to add the cost of the total days and then the number of miles. So I'm just going to put a plus sign. And I'm also going to multiply because it says per mile is 15 cents. So I'm going to multiply that by how many miles? 120. And that's going to give you my total, okay? So now, which would be X, your total, okay? So let's go ahead and do that. I know 25 times 3 is 75. 75 times, okay, we can multiply 120. 120 times 0.15. Okay, and let's see. That's 0, that's 10, that's 5, that's 6. Placeholder, 1 times 0 is 0, 1 times 2 is 2, 1 times 1, there we go. And then 0, 0, 8, and 1. I have to jump my decimals. So there's another video that I have on that, multiplying decimals. Make sure that's 2 spaces. 1, 2. $18. So that's 18 zeros, right? So I'll do 18. I don't even have to put the zeros. I could just leave it like that. 18 plus 75. I can do that over here. 75 plus 18 is 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 13, and then that's 8, and that's 9. $93 is my total. So how much will it cost James? It costs him $93. Okay, all right.